Hi, this is Dr. Sheetal Agarwal. I'm Director Senior Consultant Obs and Gynae at Cloud9 Hospital, Kailash Colony, dealing mainly with high-risk pregnancy, infertility and gynae laparoscopic surgeries. So in pregnancy series, the second topic that I'm going to discuss is the common health problems in pregnancy. So when a lady becomes pregnant, she comes to me, what are the common problems she faces? First and foremost is she tells me that she has cramps in her pelvic area, lower abdomen, as if her menses are about to come. So here I would like to tell you, it is very common to have menstrual-like cramps in your pelvic area when you are pregnant. Don't be afraid and don't be scared that you are about to start your bleeding. It is very common. Second common problem in pregnancy is the mood swings. Suddenly you feel like crying and you feel depressed. So again, which is very common. The support of the partner is very important in this. Third common symptom that you have is that you feel like you feel very lazy. You don't feel like getting up from the bed. आपका मन करेगा मैं सोती रहूं, मैं उठूं ही ना. So again, this is very common. You don't be afraid कि मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. This is very common symptom in pregnancy. Another very common symptom is heartburn, indigestion. आपको लगेगा आप जो भी खा रहे हो ये तो सब यहीं पे अटका है, बाहर ही नहीं निकल रहा है. So उसके लिए भी I tell my patients that don't skip breakfast, don't give a gap in your meals, have small but frequent meals. हर 2-2 घंटे में आप कुछ खाइए with the result कि आपको ये जो acidity होती है वो problem नहीं होगी. Small meal is easy to digest. Don't go for outside food. घर का खाना, हल्का खाना, every 2 to 3 hours eat something. You can also have discharge from the nipples. Very common. आपको लगेगा कि why I am having discharge from the nipples? This is very common. Breast is also preparing itself for the pregnancy to give feed to the child. So discharge from the nipple is again very common. Another very common symptom is you will have backache. And the reason for backache is the progesterone hormone, which is there to maintain the pregnancy. It causes laxity of the ligaments that hold the spinal cord, leading to backache. So what to do? Just do slight massage with Volini gel or any other, put hot water bottle, so that will take care of your backache. Another thing common is you can have headaches or bleeding comes, but again this is nothing serious, nothing that you should be scared of. Thank you.